Asheville is one of a kind.
It is such a warm, welcoming community.
I think one thing that makes Asheville businesses unique is how close the relationship small business owners have with their employees and their customers as well.
I have seen so much of people coming together and really just rallying together to be a part of the community and really try to uplift everyone that's coming to town.
Especially after Helene, just all growing and learning together.
If people need help with learning how to make their businesses do better in this town, then I think it would be really beneficial.
So many people are local and have come from here to be able to build up their businesses, and then it's a pretty close-knit community. I think everyone has worked really hard to make downtown really special.
Seeing Asheville thrive and wanting us to stand out and all do well together in our own unique way, especially in light of what's happened with Helene and the recovery process. I think what we've realized is that we're all in it together.
I would be interested in going to a networking event, get out there and do what I can and kind of network and become a part of the community that I'm starting to love so much.
The Asheville business community to me is a group of people dedicated to trying to bring business to Asheville.
I think for the community and the greater Asheville, it's good to kind of regroup and get together and pave a path forward, yeah.
I think it would be important to hear other business owners' feedback on what they're experiencing and ways to improve the downtown area.
Obviously, people like making an effort to work together to better the community.
A very unique, special town in its own way, and been really happy to be a part of it.
Yeah, I think it's a chance to network and bring about new ideas to add to the city and make the city better. We get some, good minds to come together and come up with some new ideas. I think that'll be helpful.
There's always been like a sense of community, whether it be like the art or the music or the food or like the mountains.
I'm really interested in entrepreneurship and learning that. So I think that getting a workshop with other entrepreneurs and kind of learning the business a little bit, and that way, have my goals that I have and one day own my own little business.
Asheville's like its own kind of thing. I feel like if you go to like surrounding areas, there's not really other places like it.
The Asheville Business Summit is for people who are curious about personal development and professional development.